What's up, everybody? Heat Press Nation here at Smart Blanks. I got my pal Cheyenne hosting us today, and he's gonna be showing us around.
Super excited to have you guys. Let's take a tour.
Let's go.
This is our main lobby. This is where everybody comes in for their appointments, showroom visits. We have the showroom over here on this side, and then we got the main warehouse over here on this side. Let's take a look around. This is the main office right here. So our customer service, our sales, and then the marketing department over on this side. So this is where the entire team is that makes this possible.
Nice. Yeah. Dude, this is awesome. I see everybody working there, so I don't want to disturb them. But it's cool for me to see the team that like makes the blanks.
Yeah.
Cause like I'm wearing it, like I love Smart Blanks. I use Smart Blanks, so to see the team that's actually like making it happen, it's really cool.
Yeah. So every email, every call comes out of here. So yeah, let's go check out the warehouse.
Let's go.
Yeah. If we head through here, we recently built this. We have some lighting over here. We got our background. We've been doing all of our e-com shoots, all of our videos, everything's been done in this room. We can head over to the showroom, grab some blanks, bring it out here, and then we're ready for our video, shoot, whatever it is. You know what I mean?
Awesome, yeah.
So let's check out the warehouse now.
Okay,
let's do it. This is our main warehouse. This is gonna be everywhere where we pack and ship everything that's less than a box. So this is where they pick and pack everything. So let's say you order 1 blank, 2 blanks. They're gonna pick it.
That's what's, I think, so amazing about you guys is that people can order 1 or 2.
Yeah.
Right, I think like for so many small businesses and even for myself, like when because I still consider myself a small print shop, right? Yes, I work at Heat Press Nation, but also I print on the side. I'm not always ready to order a full case of something. Sometimes to fulfill an order, I just need like 4.
Exactly.
Or 1 even.
Even for Heat Press Nation, somebody of that size, sometimes you don't want 24 pieces. You just want 1 to see what the blank looks like, see what it feels like. And so we sort of have that range that goes from the DIY mom and pops all the way to the big companies.
Yeah.
The 101 right here, so we're gonna have every single color in the 101. And as you know, the 101 has tons of colors.
Yes.
So if you look down here, every single style. Let's head over to will call.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is our will call. Now behind me here, we have some of the orders that are ready to go out. And then over here is going to be where everybody pulls up to come grab their packages.
This is huge. I've been here before many times to pick up.
You haven't been on this
I haven't been on this side, yeah, so this is awesome.
Because everything is stocked here. So we're not drop shipping anything. We're not pulling it out of other warehouses.
Yes.
Every single style and piece is stocked here. We have millions of units in inventory.
That's another thing that's really important that you're saying, you know, millions of pieces available is because I hate when I'm ready to press an order. I have this blank that I love, and okay, I got an order. I need 50, I need 100, I need 200, and then I go to order, there's 9 left, or there's none left. Like, being able to have inventory available is so huge.
Yeah. To really avoid that, as you know, we have 2 locations now. So we're over here and in Dallas, Texas. So just in case it ever happens that we do sell out of an item in one location, we'll ship it out to you same day out of the other location.
And that's what's really awesome for all you guys out there, East Coast, Midwest, wherever you're at. Because you guys have that Dallas location, you're hitting everybody, what, in just a few days?
Yeah, that's it. So we do ship out same day out of all of our Smart Blanks locations. So for example, if you're here and you place an order in the morning, we'll have it ready most likely by 2 p.m. Free same day shipping over $200 also. So
awesome.
Lots of incentives for our customers. So
Dude, even more ways to save money. That money that you save, that goes in your pocket, guys.
Exactly.
These guys are putting money in your pocket.
Yeah. Let's check out the warehouse.
Let's go.
Awesome. This is where everything comes in, where we're stocking everything. And this is also going to be the most available units. We're gonna head over down that way.
Oh, what? There's more.
So we have a bigger warehouse connected to our smaller warehouse. The bigger warehouse is gonna be on this side. This is where we have all the pallets, all the racks, and our inventory system.
So the stuff that's in this room, it's going out pretty quick, right?
This room is always moving pretty fast. We're bringing stuff in, moving it out. And then on this side is sort of the stuff that we have on hand, just in case we need more. This is what makes it so easy to just Grab unit, ship it out same day,
Yeah.
pick up same day, all that good stuff.
I'm just like, this is huge. Yeah.
It's very big for us to show everybody how we're able to ship everything so quick, why it's so convenient.
Yeah.
And I feel like a lot of people don't get to see this. So
Yeah, and also like, I feel more confident now. Like, okay, I can trust Smart. They got all the blanks that I need.
if we have all the units here, then there's no questioning, like you said, where are the blanks coming from? Are you gonna get them in time?
Yeah.
You know exactly where they are at all times and stocked. If we head over this way, this is where they'll be loading the trucks. Looks like they just got a pallet off the racks. So all of these just came off, and these are going to be going on the racks, and then we're gonna be pulling them off the racks, bringing them over to the main warehouse when somebody places an order.
That's incredible. So people are ordering pallets of blanks. I would imagine that these are just like the huge commercial shops. They got like their 10 different 12 station, like the big guys, right?
So all the bigger brands, all the really big corporations, super big merch suppliers, music festivals. So for those, we don't want to go pick out every single box. So we have the pallets ready to go, and that way we get to ship out same day for the DIY mom and pops, and then also for the big corporations.
What I appreciate about that, by the way, is that like me, to know that I get like the same treatment as the big guys, like it's pretty cool, man. It feels kind of special.
That's great to hear.
Props,
Tested
yeah.
and true. So let's head back this way so we can check out the showroom. This is our showroom. We have every single style and color stocked in here. If anybody comes in for a showroom appointment, we're able to pull every single style off the shelves and give them a closer look.
Dude, I see some of like my favorites in here. Like I'm looking around. I bought that one. I have that one. I have that one.
Yeah.
I think I see something that I've never seen before back there.
That is our new launch.
Okay.
So that is the RT800. This is now available at the time of this video. This is gonna be the newest and the last addition to the wash collection. 6.5 ounces mineral wash. And then on top of that, it's gonna have that potassium spray to give it that super DIY paint spray look.
Dude, that's cool.
Love those. These are doing well. These are doing really well this season.
I wish you guys could feel this. It's so soft.
We got the 9000s behind me, the super heavyweights, and then some of our more core styles like the 7001 that I'm sure you guys have used a little bit.
We get the question all the time, hey, thanks, I just got my heat press. Where can I get some shirts? Well, now we have a really good insight into one of my favorite shirt suppliers, Smart Blanks. I want to thank you so much, Sean, for giving us a tour today.
Yeah.
Really like incredible insight.
Thank you so much for coming. We were very excited to have you guys, and I'm happy to show you guys everything that most people don't get to see.
It's been awesome. Now I have to ask, where can people, or let me rephrase, how can people order Smart Blanks?
So you can go direct to us on smarttexapparel.com. We have no minimum order quantities. All we require is the resale permit, so you can go get your account created, same day shipping, and free shipping over $200 as well.
Doesn't get better than that. Again, thank you so much for having us here.
Of course, thank you for coming.
Yeah.